So let's say this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. So right here, this commutator segment is connected to the positive terminal, so the current is going to go around through this coil in this direction from positive to the negative. So per the right hand rule, our magnetic field is going to be in the direction of my thumb this way. And let's say our field magnets are oriented in such a way that our magnetic field is pointing this way. So this coil is going to want to align with that magnetic field, point that way. So it's going to be like this, and it's going to want to turn that way. So a clockwise torque is going to be induced. Now for this coil, let's look what's going on. So right here it's connected to the positive terminal, so the current is going to go that way. So the right hand rule, our magnetic field is going to be the direction of my thumb, and it's also going to want to be in line with our field current, our field magnets, like this. So it's going to be like that to that, like that. So it's also going to have a clockwise torque induced on it. Now, for this commutator segment underneath, it is not connected to either the positive nor the negative terminal, but it is connecting this coil with this coil. So our current is exiting out of this coil into this coil, and in this coil the current is going to be in that direction. So per the right hand rule, our magnetic field is going to be pointing in the direction of my thumb, and it's still going to want to be pointing this way. So a clockwise torque will also be induced on that coil. So what happens once these three electromagnets find a stable position? Well, as you can see right here, our commutator segment right here is connected to the positive terminal, but as I move it, rotate it in clockwise direction, it is no longer connected to the positive terminal because there's a break right here in the commutator's rings. And so as our motor moves, rotates, our connections actually rotate with it, they change, and this is what keeps the motor spinning.